killer birds in nature. The term killer birds is not typically used to refer to a specific species of birds. Birds that hunt and feed on other animals. Including insects, rodents, fish, and even other birds. These birds are known for their predatory nature and have evolved specialized adaptations to be effective hunters. Some examples of birds of prey that are often considered killer birds include eagles. Eagles are powerful raptors with keen eyesight and strong talons, allowing them to capture a variety of prey. Including fish and small mammals. Hawks are also raptors known for their exceptional hunting skills. Using their sharp talons and beaks to catch and kill their prey, which can range from small birds to rodents. Falcons are swift and agile hunters. Known for their high-speed dives, stoops, to capture prey mid-air. While owls are mainly nocturnal predators. They are highly efficient hunters that prey on small mammals, birds, and insects. Vultures. Vultures are scavengers, feeding on carrion and playing a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up dead animals. It's important to understand that these birds are not killers. In the sense of being malicious or evil. They are simply following their natural instincts to survive and obtain food. Predation is a fundamental aspect of the balance of nature, and these birds play essential roles in their ecosystems by controlling prey, populations and maintaining ecological equilibrium. Please subscribe our channel.